OpenAI has launched o3-Pro, its most advanced AI model yet. It's a more powerful version of the o3 reasoning model, designed for step-by-step thinking in areas like math, science, and coding. Available now for ChatGPT Pro and Team users, o3-Pro replaces the o1-Pro model. Enterprise and Edu users get access next week, and it's also live in the developer API. Priced at $20 per million input tokens and $80 per million output tokens, according to OpenAI, expert reviewers prefer o3-Pro over o3 in all categories, especially in science, education, business, and writing. It's also rated higher for clarity, accuracy, and instruction following. o3-Pro supports tools like web browsing, Python, file analysis, and visual reasoning. However, it's slower than o1-Pro, can't generate images, and temporary chats and Canvas aren't supported yet due to technical issues. In internal tests, o3-Pro outperforms Gemini 2.5 Pro and Claude 4 Opus on math and science benchmarks. French AI startup Mistral has launched Magistral, its first family of reasoning AI models. Like OpenAI's o3 and Google's Gemini 2.5 Pro, Magistral solves problems step by step for better accuracy in areas like math and physics. Magistral comes in two versions. Magistral Small, 24B parameters, open source on Hugging Face under Apache 2. Magistral Medium, available via Mistral's chatbot, LuChat, its API, and partner clouds. Designed for enterprise tasks like structured logic and decision trees, Magistral emphasizes interpretability and multi-step reasoning. Despite its capabilities, benchmarks show it underperforms compared to top competitors like Gemini 2.5 Pro and Claude Opus 4. However, Mistral claims Magistral is 10x faster in LuChat and supports many languages including Arabic, Russian, and Chinese. The release follows recent Mistral tools like LuChat Enterprise and the coding assistant Mistral Code. Thanks for watching. Hit like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts below. See you next time.